Collectors, how you doing today? I want to show you some stuff that I got today. I hope everybody's doing okay. How you guys doing? I hope everybody's having some good days for the holidays. It's the holiday season. It's that season again, and everything is good. I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm trying to put together here the cars that I have for you that I wanted to show you today. This was nice right here. Cars that I wanted to show you today. And all right, these are some stuff that I found. First off, I'm gonna show you some Matchbox. This is 64 Austin Mini Cooper. Okay, 64 Austin Mini Cooper. Really nice casting. Nice color. It's like a neon green. It's plain, no tempos. Not even the tail lights. Just a bumper there. Right. Oh, here we go. The hood is like blacked out. You got the Mini Cooper. Got the Mini Cooper here, logo right here, and pretty nice car, nice casting. I saw it and I wanted to pick it up. I've been seeing people with it online. Really nice casting, nice wheels. All right, look at the interior right there. I don't know if you can see the seats right there. Really nice casting. Also, this one is a nice casting. I've seen these online too, and I saw it today. I wanted to pick it up. It is the 55 Ford F100 delivery truck. This is from Matchbox, of course. Here we go. It's a nice, it's like a North Carolina blue, baby blue. Right. And it says open all year, truck 11, Matchbox, city store. I'm trying to see what it says there. Right. Beautiful truck. Right. Metal and plastic. Right. Look at the back of it. Really nice casting. A lot of people are after this. This is a card art right here. Really nice. I also wanted to show you Super. I got a Super. Sorry, I as soon as I got it, the card was like a little bent, and I put it in the protector. This is from the diecast, and it is the Doorslammer. Right, let me take it out for you here. You guys can see better. Just wanted to put it here to fix the card, and then it looks like it's working. Just to fix the card, I put it in there. Yep, Super Treasure Hunt Doorslammer. All right, from the Hot Wheel games. Treasure Hunt, of course. Super Treasure Hunt. See the TH there. Look at the details on the wheels. All right, rubber tires, of course. Look at that. Rubber. See the Treasure Hunt symbol there. Right. Doorslammer right there. Nice car. Put it in here. Make sure this car gets fixed. I really like this protectors. They keep them nice and neat and protected in here. Alright, there you go, right there. And last but not least, this is rare. This is very rare. This is from 2012. This is from 2012. New models. Special commemorative edition in memory of two-time Indy winner, Indy 500 winner, and Hot Wheels friend Dan Wheldon. All right, from June 22nd, 1978 to October 6, 2011. And it is the DW1 right here. Okay. It is a DW1. Right. Lionheart. Look at the tires. You see it says Lionheart on the tires. Lionheart. Lionheart. All right. Got the Union Jack right here, of course. Union Jack number 1. And just in case you're wondering, rubber tires. See? Rubber tires. All right. All right. Yep. It is a racing, one of those racing Formula 1 cars. To the late great Dan Wheldon. Passed away October 2011. Very rare, nice piece. All right. All right, guys. These are the pieces that I wanted to show you. Again, guys, any questions, tips, comments, suggestions, please leave it on the video. Leave comments. Subscribe to the channel. Any questions? If you want to trade, buy, let me know. Hit me up. And until then, happy hunting, guys, and God bless.